Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, my skin is having lots of pimple, acne and scars too, as I have very bad habit of popping them. So let's see what I'm going to do for them. Basically, I'm going to do rice facial at home, that is for acne prone skin, dry skin. So here I'm taking basmati rice. You can take any brand rice, and I'm taking that Dawat basmati rice. You can also take brown rice, that would be very good. Okay, so I'm gonna make my rice flour at home, and I'm gonna make two kind of rice flour. One is finely ground rice flour and second is coarsely ground rice flour. Finely is for my pack and mask, and coarsely is for my scrub, as it has coarse particles, and scrub has to carry some beads or particles to remove the dead cell and to exfoliate the skin. So with the help of a strainer, strain the grounded rice flour. So this way you will get a fine rice flour and coarsely ground rice flour. I never buy my rice flour from market. I usually make it at home like so. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make your rice rice cleanser. Next is rice scrub, rice pack, and obviously rice toner. So my powder is already ready. Now I'm moving toward my rice cleanup. Here I have already soaked my rice in water, and it's been 30 minutes now. So now I'm taking the water, and I'm taking 2 spoon of rice water. Next I'm going to add 1 spoon raw milk, mixing them both very well. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that because of summer season, whatever ingredient I'm using here, I'm using them chilled, like raw milk, curd, and any liquidy thing that I'm using here is chilled. I have already refrigerated them for 1 hour, and now I'm using them. Okay, so this is how you have to massage your cleanser on your face at least for 5 minutes, and it will quickly get absorbed into the skin. So do this 5 minutes and then let it be on your skin. After 2 minutes, wash it off, or you can also leave it on your skin, no problem at all. So moving towards my scrub, I'm going to take some coarsely ground rice flour that has coarse particles. Next I'm going to add some honey, and yes, my scrub is ready. If your hands not move quickly smoothly on your face because of honey and it's getting stick to your skin, then you can add anything liquidy, like you can add rose water or rice water or curd water or plain water to make it work smoothly on your face. Scrub your face in circular motion at least for 1 to 2 minutes, then leave it on your skin for another 5 minutes and then wash off. There are two reasons which make me like this scrub so much. First one is it removes blackheads like magic, seriously like magic. In 2 or 3 uses you will see you have no blackhead on your skin, and it will remove it like so good. Okay, second benefit, after removing your blackheads, it's make your skin so soft, like baby soft and plump. I mean I can't even remove my hands from my face after using this scrub. Okay, as you can see, I'm applying this on your lips too, because whenever and whatever products I use on my face, I bring it to my eyes if possible, and to my lips also if possible. Okay, so this way I scrub my face as well as my lips. If you want, you can bring it down like on neck, but yes, do not pressurize your skin. And this scrub is not for sensitive skin, as it has coarse particle. I feel really good after using this face scrub, like feeling my skin baby soft and plump. Okay, so next is my rice pack. For that I'm taking a finely ground rice flour. Next I'm adding some turmeric, and next I'm adding some oats powder. Oats and rice flour quantity are in 1:1 ratio. Next is lemon juice, and to make consistency, like to set consistency, you can add any liquidy thing, but I'm adding curd water, as you can see, and I'm making it bit liquidy, because by the time I will do my scrub and cleansing, it will soak the water and becomes thick. So yes, that's why. Okay, so this is my face after scrub and I'm feeling it so good. Now moving toward my pack, I'm going to apply this on my clean face, although I don't want to, but still I'm applying. And gonna leave this for 20 minutes or 30 minutes or until it get dry, then wash it off. For my toner, I'm using the same rice water that I have prepared for cleansing. And for moisturizer, there is a rice cream video that I have already made and uploaded on my YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description box so you can check that out. And this is all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to come back to my channel. I will be back soon in my next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. By the time, take care. Have a very nice day. Bye.